Hello everyone, welcome back to Web to App, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to view your block list on a PlayStation app. Open your PlayStation app and then sign into your account. Now you will need to tap your profile icon and open settings. Navigate to privacy or friends settings depending on your app version. Look for the blocked players section. Here you will find accounts you've previously blocked. You can review the list and unblock players if needed. If you don't see the option in the app, visit PlayStation's account management through your browser and check your privacy settings there. And that's it. That's how to view your PlayStation block list. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.